Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best gym equipments. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is the Cube Club Neo Gym Equipment. For those interested in boxing or martial arts, a punching bag is a fantastic addition to a home gym. It helps to release stress and improve your upper body strength. The USI Universal Calm, the unbeatable punching bag, features D-ring at the bottom for floor attachment and compressed flock filled, making it safe to use. It claims to be highly durable and comes with a heavy-duty chain. This set enables you to practice several boxing techniques and improve strength and coordination. Number 7 in my list is Theragun Prime Quiet Deep Gym Equipment. For before and after workouts, it's worth investing in a decent massage gun. They help to relieve muscle tension and loosen muscles before and after workouts, to increase muscle recovery and reduce DOMS, and none performed in our quest to find the best massage gun quite as well as the Theragun Prime. I like the streamlined build, ergonomic handle, and how easy it is to use. One button on the top of the device is used to switch it on and off and control the vibrations, which can be set at speeds ranging from 1,750 to 2,400 percussions per minute (ppm). It has a fair battery life of 120 minutes with continuous use. The reason this device excels, however, is because of the attention to detail that's gone into the design. While most other guns have a simple stick handle, the Theragun Prime has a patented triangular handle, which allowed me to get to tricky-to-reach spots, such as my shoulders and lower back. It also comes with 4 attachments. It's a little loud, but that really is nitpicking. Number 6 in my list is Urbn-Fit Exercise Ball Gym Equipment. You might recognize these from 90s fitness CDs. Exercise balls, also known as Swiss balls, physio balls, balance balls, and yoga balls, are a brilliant piece of equipment for achieving that chiseled washboard look. They improve balance, muscle tone, and core strength by forcing the user to maintain a center of gravity on the ball. Exercise balls are useful for training your abdominal muscles. They are unstable, so using an exercise ball as a base to plank from gives your core something to fight against, says rehabilitation trainer Will Collard. The market is pretty saturated, but he likes this Urbn-Fit exercise ball from Amazon in 65 centimeters. It's extra durable, thanks to the strong PVC outer layer, and the non-slip surface is more grippy than others. The anti-burst coating supports up to 272 kilograms, and it also comes with a pump and 2 air plugs, in case it needs boosting down the line. Number 5 in my list is JX Fitness Squat Rack Gym Equipment. The JX Fitness Squat Rack has a solid reinforced steel frame finished with anti-slip caps for extra stability and to protect the ground from scratching. The adjustable squat rack comes with a 2-year warranty. Claire Turpin, a personal trainer and founder of fitness brand Keo and TUR Gym-Wear, recommends a squat rack for a home gym, saying it can be used with a barbell for squats and shoulder presses. Add in a workout bench for a variety of chest presses or for a full range of cable exercises. This piece of kit will also enable you to do pull-up and chin-ups, and add in resistance bands and suspension belts for a full total strength body workout. Will Collard says, if you are looking to invest in a squat rack, the option you go for will depend on what space you have available and obviously your budget. The cheaper option available is to get a stand squat rack. This will do the job and is your money and space-saving option. If you have the space and the money to invest, then opting for a more permanent and secure squat rack will be a worthy investment, like the squat rack from JX Fitness, found on Amazon. Number 4 in my list is Concept 2 RowErg Indoor Gym Equipment. Rowing machines are the most sensible cardio machine to invest in, according to personal trainer Claire Turpin. And this Concept 2 rower tops the Telegraph's list of the best rowing machines. While you can run or cycle outside, a rowing machine is a smart choice if you're looking to burn calories and get a full body workout at home, Claire says. Rowing is an effective all-round activity which combines cardiovascular work and will develop endurance while strengthening the muscles of the whole body. It works the shoulders, arms, back and abs, as well as the thighs and the calves. The Concept 2 Model D is about as quiet as an air rower can get. If you've ever been to a gym, chances are you've come across this rower. It's also the sturdiest option in this list, although that does mean it's not foldable, so you'll need to find it a permanent spot in your spare room or garage. It does, however, separate into two if you wish to store it for a while. Number 3 in my list is NordicTrack Commercial Series 1250 Gym Equipment. Treadmills are one of the most popular pieces of home gym equipment and also the most expensive, so it's important to make the right choice. NHS and Aston Villa FC physiotherapist Alex Boardman recommends the NordicTrack due to the ease of the programs being built in. Treadmills that provide interval training sessions can be really beneficial for providing structure to workouts, Alex says. They allow you to progress mobility and fitness in a controlled environment. The NordicTrack tops the Telegraph's recommended list of the best treadmills. The commercial 1750 model has runner's flex cushioning on the deck that can be adjusted to offer extra impact support or to simulate a real road running experience, with Google Maps integration, which means you can mimic outdoor running anywhere in the world. It has an impressive incline range of -3 to +15% and a max speed of 19 km/h. Number 2 in my list is Peloton Indoor Gym Equipment. Peloton started a smart fitness craze with its original bike, which brings the action of a high-tech spin class to the comfort of your home. Still available as a more affordable alternative to the Bike Plus, the original model features a bright and beautiful 21.5-inch HD touchscreen on which you can access Peloton's full workout class library. You'll need a Peloton bike or a Bike Plus and an all-access class membership to compete on the leaderboard. App-only members don't get access, so this is the most affordable way to get the full Peloton experience. Go with the original Peloton bike if you want to compete on the Peloton leaderboard, and the Bike Plus is out of your budget. Naturally, the original bike lacks some of the perks of the Bike Plus, including support for automatic resistance adjustments and a rotating display mount, but it offers a similar experience for about $1,000 less at the time of this writing. Just note that you need enough space to place a workout mat behind the bike for a good viewing angle during mat-based classes, as the screen does not rotate from side to side. Number 1 in my list is NordicTrack Smart Rower Gym Equipment. The NordicTrack RW900 stands out for its vast library of iFit global workouts. Filmed in picturesque locations in more than 40 countries on all 7 continents. This monorail-style rower features a 22-inch HD touchscreen that tilts and rotates, and a silent magnetic resistance system. Its Smart Adjust feature uses machine learning technology to automatically adjust the resistance during your workout based on your performance and preferences. If you want a workout with a view, it's hard to beat the NordicTrack RW900, which offers the widest selection of global workouts to virtually transport you all around the world as you exercise. Its iFit membership, $39 per month, offers classes for all levels and a vast library of off-hour workouts, including strength, yoga, heat, and more to round out your training. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.